Kani gede dashe Meghalaya, bagi pne somai pi baro syakatup kubor mita ke janmit. Shaban pash ki kubor ke bapnya pechwai ke mat pekongsan. Ya kendu Presiden ke Paraguay, Usantio Pena, ya Menteri Rang Badu Keri, Narendra Modi berpenklan ya ke jengede. Boy ki nong mi khmat jong ki seng san per the bapher. Let sya hikai ke tim football ki bahapo ka atpos nam kerta ke Meghalaya sya France. Let jurip Menteri Rangba ya Kemadan Football ke SSA. Balalap ya kemediak balap ut jo Raja Raghuvanshi najan kakshat risau dong. Ki kubor ki babnya. Presiden ke Paraguay, Santiago Pena Palacios, ulai kendu yo Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi, New Delhi, Hyderabad House hene kesngi, kabakilaya taya baru kimat jong ki bayade pedeng kini ki atli kiri. Kini ke jengwan kalong ke benta jong ke jengwan jengok balai sngi jong Presiden ke Paraguay se India. Kamashwa Menteri Ketenat Kambari Dr. S. J. Shankar lapediang seupaya Presiden ke Paraguay dah kebapen pau baka jengmi nak kejengnya keren bat umudi kan long kebabha. Keban peli kilat bapher hapedang kini ki atli kiri. Kam tam kabai day baka kai pateng karep keriang bat kejeng pathai jengtip. Upina lapen don buram ru dah kebabu sentiu harajgat bat unsai kendo ia ke Presiden keri ke Drupadi Murmu. Kejengnya day kini ki ari kelas dang na do usnem kat kendai spa adripway bat kila pendek kini kejengnya day habaro kitenan. Kakin hon jong ki MP ni ki sengsan perthai bapher hapok ke jinglam khamat jong Dr. Shashi Tharoor kalapoi ha Brazil kum shibenta jong ke jikner ke India shaka perthai ban yo jeng kershan halor ko operation sindur kani kakin hon kan let shiki sandli kiri bat let ngo ya ka Guyana Panama bat ke Colombia bat ban sapenlong ya ke jingelang ha Brazilia. Dr. Tharoor lapan pau ke jengkong san jong ke Brazil ke badai ke khot jong ke BRICS. Bat kalakin tho bakani ke kenhon ke sepen syai kinong lam ke Brazil ha ke badai ke jeng thombor ha pahalgam ke belajar ke arpo arterik uyayong. Dah ke bapen pau ke jeng persyak ke India ye ki kam lekno na shiliang haput ha bapen pau halor ke jeng job jong ke mission. Haduk minta ulapen pau bekeri Guyana, Panama, bat Colombia. Kilapen pau beki kershan ke India. Kam tak maka jeng kun persya ki kam lekno. Ha Brazil ke jeng kendo kinong India bani krem ilat pathai kubor bat lek burom homot dur jong Mahatma Gandhi shwa ben let sha kanong ba Sao Paulo bat sha kari America.
We've had some very good results. My team has been fully participating in everything. We are all equal participants in this venture. And here in Brazil, we're looking forward to having some very solid constructive discussions. Brazil is a major power in the region. It's a BRICS partner of ours. We've elevated our relationship to a strategic partnership going back to 2006. So it's a country that really matters to us. And though they're not currently on the Security Council, we felt keeping them fully abreast of our position and continuing to keep the dialogue channels open is very important.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya ne keski ulari penyusun bentah ke program ha kabede ke jeng pai kai ki kena ilek kai football bahapo ke arpos nam ke erta bila let cai kai ke Olympic Lioness Academy halayan France. La penlong ya kini ke program da ke Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ke belalong ha Prime Hub Center Shillong. Kidan baro arpu prangut ki nong ilek kai ba nyongut ki nong penyat hapo ke jeng lam khmat usamla riman kraw kharumnoit kumu captain na East KHASI Hills. But uni kemat ke Meghalaya hak ni keslim ai jing hikai. Kesorkar jela kalamang point pra klur tingka nak bentakan ni ke jingsha ai jing hikai. Konrad sang mau la pen slur ki nong ile kai ben shim ni ka kabu ban pelet jingmut ban yok men siem ling ba ka jingshem jong ki ha France ban pen pau ka sap ile kai football ke jela.
When it comes to our youth, and sports is a very, very important part of what we are trying to do. When this entire project had come to me, and the minister and the commissioner secretary brought the file and said there is a project to send our youth to France for training for 20 days, I asked for the details. And the total expenditure to send this delegation is 2 crores 80 lakhs. So that's about close to 35 of you. So you divide 35, you divide 2 crores 80 lakhs by 35 people. That's about 8 lakhs per person.
Menteri Rang Pak Kejala Konrad K sang mau lalit ngoi Kementerian Football jong ke SSA ne ke sngi hadian ke jing ujor ke khot jong ke SSA halor ke jing suki ki kamban snai yakinala ulap tha ki tanat bedai khmi bat kum ru ye ki kontraktor ban penbet ya ka kam hapo pra ni khandai sngi Konrad la banjur halor ke jing don kambat betmai ke stadium na mar bakalong ke jakai le kai bakongsan na kabenta ke national game ke ban salongshen ulakan turu ban pen bhai ke gallery Kijing don kam kijing tay baro halaki bentaban pinstek kijing pendep ban bantay ke stadium.
There was a bit of an issue. So now we are trying to resolve those issues to make sure that this is completed at the earliest. As you know that the league is about to start, the season is already here and there are more than 100 clubs that are participating. Therefore the schedule cannot be shifted and changed too many times, and hence there is an urgency to complete this. So we have called the entire sports department, the engineers and the contractor concerned to make sure that this is completed at the earliest. They have given us a commitment that in about 8 to 9 days they'll be able to complete, and by the 9th or 10th day the actual league and the matches can start.
Ka jinglap ya kamet yap palaput ya kabla itu bakadai ke jong Raja Raghuvanshi na jan kaksat wai saudong hakasnong riat arliang hakasnong umblai soora hakajingwat palapen long ne ke step Raja Raghuvanshi lembat ka kurim jong u kilajar ngai na duka arpulai terik ujemang kenhun bali wat bakin tu biki pulit ke State Disaster Response Force lembat kin nong snong kilalap ya kamet yap ya kabla pensisha do men jong u ya kajing ta oket hapo kajing kmi jong majestor kelana yat syakmat kat ba ya kamet yap jong ka kurim ke jong u kadang jak rengai haduk menta ba kajing tepet ban lap ya kamet yap jong u kadang yat syakmat DC ke West Giant Hills Abhinav Kumar Singh ulapalai pajbai ke benta ba jong ka nasha mug Bharat Abhiyan hapo jong ka NAPDDR hinne kasgi ka bala penlong da ka office jong deputy commissioner lembat ka office jong district social welfare da ka jikrshan ki seng bhalang labai tengkai ke ni ka program da ka tanat social justice and empowerment using ulapan syai ki program ban penlong kum ki bike rally ki marathon ki jipen ki sawang ka surok bat ke program ajeng kai ki school bat ki college ulakan tu ki jing trelang apa ki seng balang ki pulit bat ki tanak nilai kai kanang ban pun urlong ki jing temu jong ke program ha kini gisngi lai shim benta do additional SP Ishan Gupta unong hikai taekwondo uba chibat langstang bat ki he katnat social welfare
awareness programs which are definitely ongoing in the forms of multiple programs or initiatives that are undertaken by the district administration at Kian Nangba Government College. And also there will be awareness programs in the rural areas, because that is also one of the key area where there will be different resource persons with regard to, we have got identified 7 particular associations or the departments. First would be Memintidu Community Social Welfare Association. Second would be at Tauki, where Society for Rural and Urban Area, that is SHORE, Joab. Then at Mukla, Breakthrough De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Center. Then at Minso, Fernando Home Care and Support Center, Yalong. Then Kutushi, Breakthrough De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Center. Then Shashniyang by the Office of the DSWO. Then Mokaya by Memintidu Community Social Welfare Association, Joab.
Kasing Achik Conscious Holistically Integrated Framework like Indo Ulat Kajala, Vijay Shankar, Bendawawan Pelong Ketura, Kum Winter Capital Jangka Meghalaya. General Secretary Uwe Sangmau la banjur bakani kan pia ega bor sinchar, ban penbet iki kampen roy banok shiliang, ban yo ki jingbi kmat ni kithan. Ula ai jengmut, ban penlong ke secretariat bat ke yeng dorbar thau ai ba markeliang hapadeng ke shilong bat tura. Ban pen pha ke jing sinchar bat pen suk ki pat ba ban yo ki la jing sakri. Bat kan ni kan pen klanya ke rukom thau an ha ki benta sep ni jong ke jela.
Meghalaya Statute was formed in 1972. Our forefathers, our pioneers, the founding fathers of Meghalaya, their vision was beyond the statehood. Their vision was not limited to the statehood. Their vision was beyond the statehood. Because they also envisionized a future aspiration for the people of Meghalaya, that is for the KHASI, Garo and Jentia, to have a way to preserve our culture, to preserve our society, and also to be more established in the society as part of Indian Union.
Karaj Bhavan Shillong Kalapadang Kajili Akaman Matrake Yakasni Yo Jala Jonka Goa but Telangana. Hakani program kabla long mentakasni layo yakakerwo limbagador ki nikila jomparo atli jala but ulat ke jala Meghalaya Vijay Shankar. Hakani kajili akaman balapan long dak Raj Bhavan ringkat kajing trelang but katnat arts and culture ke jala but ka ICCR Shillong kabakantup yakaput ketem. Kajing syat kebapen pau kajing riu spa jong keriti drustor jong ke Goa bat Telangana.
This day we remember the sacrifice made by many to raise Goa to where it stands today as per the prosperous and vibrant state. Earlier, Portuguese colony Goa, along with the Andaman Dadra and Nagar Haveli in 1961 after Goa took a Sangram and sustains military intervention. Similarly, Telangana is Foundation Day marks a birth of a new chapter in the nation's history as rebel state of the Indian Union, and 2nd June 2014 symbolizing perseverance, determination and fulfillment of a long-held dream for a separate state.
Kasengri Boy Youth Federation Western Zone hapo kajingilam President Uba Risha Nongtri kilalit ngoy kapathar Khama Government High Secondary School hinekasngi pan pinpa holor kajing kibede kajing te lembat kijing hikai kapakatajur ya kanika school. Lapan long ikani kajing let jingo adien beklayo kajing ujor halor kajing bempiang ka school kapakentup ya kajing duna kinong hikai. But nong tre, but kajing bemdon yu principal ubapura. Kaseng kalapan pau kajing songkia halor kajing kapnya ke kelas 12. Kaseng kalakan turu ya katna puli puthi ban syemi kilat kilinti ban penbet ikini kajing but ban pentikna ya kerukom hikai ke bak hamba na kebentaki kena school.
Dan katukat ni kimi kapa ki ba rai ki jujur kata kalong hakbaide bikin hikai kumut kim siam la siam mi kata kamram ke jongki ban ong ba kin poe ke por ke bobiang dan ikin don hakapor ke bobiang kat kum ke jingdon kam jongki kena school ke hakbaide bikin teaching staff de kalong ke jujur ke bangiyo kalong ba kinon teaching staff ru kiri bunstu la ke jong ke jing la ke jong ka kamram ke jongki kata kalong ba kin poe ha office hakapor ke bobiang ban bikin mi na office ru hakapor ke bobiang nomor boleh kau rak jing sibon la da maki kimdon ni kata kajing long minot ke jongki ban wan tre sakakam ban wan hakapor bobiang
Udi Gukesh belum ulak dua ha ke pertai ula penrem ya orang gilek kai babat ke kerdan beningkong u Magnus Carlsen ha ke round bahan Rio jong ke Norway chess 8,000 tournament hanong ba Stavanger hinne kamian. Nadu ke basdang ulai kunting hadu bo unda job hadin ke jinglek bakla da unang gilek kai chess balai pusau senam ke ertan Norway ha ke jinglek kai bakat do. Haba penkala syaka jing job ke basak nam ugukesh ula job ya kini ke jingi kun ha kaba ke jingi kun kelapoi syaka wat ke bakat do. Mendapat ngepek ke jing long jaman ke sebening hatura. Ke jing kriat ke long arpulai degree Celsius ke jing syat ke long laipu degree Celsius ke jing sengem kau hau ke long 1,000 ke jispa ke jing hapskap ke long millimeter. Kat bahasa nong ba Shillong ke jing krat kelong khat pra degree Celsius ke jing syat kelong 4% degree Celsius. Ke jing sengam kau hau kelong nyopui na ke shispa ke jing slap kelong millimeter. Kat bahasa Jawai ke jing krat kelong khat pra degree Celsius ke jing syat kelong 4 degree Celsius. Ke jing sengam kau hau kelong pra pulai na ke shispa ke jing slap kelong 0.1 millimeter. Kelak benar ke jing slap ke jing tiru pertat haki babun ke jaka. Shaban po siya bukod jang tukubon, biyang sa siyan yakimat bukong san. Yakendu President ke Paraguay, Usantio Pina, ya Menteri Rangbadu Keri Narendra Modi berpenklan ya ke jengedai. Poi kinong mi ikmat jang kisang san pertai beper ke India ha Brazil. Let's hikai ke team football ki bahapo arpo senam kerta ke Meghalaya ke France. Let jurip Menteri Rampak ya Kamadan football ke SSA. Pat lalap ya kamat yak balap ujung Raja Raghuvanshi na jan kaksat by Saudong. Ti parlo katung lapoy sa pagkot jang tukubor jang nataka janmit hadu bindi siyang bayang patpila siya kasmi kublay ipi paro.